Bebephume ngobuninzi abantu kuyozonwabisa kumalwandle eli ngolusuku lwanamhlanje olubizwa ngokuba iBoxing Day yaye akukho ziganeko zingako zibikiweyo. eKapa imozulu ayivumanga mpela nanjengoko bekukho imvula kunye nomoya obhudlayo. Kumalwandle aseThekwini akukhange kubekho ziganeko zolwaphulo mthetho ezibikiweyo. Umphathiswa wamapolisa uMnumzana Bheki Cele uthi nangona kunjalo kodwa amapolisa aza kuqhubeka nokubeka phambili kumalwandle phantsi kweliso elibukhali.
Izifundazwe ezigudle ulwandle zimatasa kakhulu ngalesikhathi samaholide. Izivakashi eziqhamuka ke kwezinye izifundazwe nakwamanye amazwe zifuna ukusijabulisa ezindaweni ezehlukene. Amaphoyisa athi azikho ke izigameko ezitheni ezibekiwe okwamanje, kodwa ke ungqongqoshe uBheki Cele uthi amaphoyisa kumele asebenze ngokusikhandla ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabantu.
94 to 95 of the South African police are on duty. We'll see after the festive season what is happening. So we'll be on the ground, we'll be visible.
Ungqongqoshe uCele ke uke waxoxisana nezivakashi efuna ke ukuzwa ukuthi ngabe aziphethe kanjani amaholide. Kanti ke njengoba ke sekusondele isikhathi sikaNcibijane, uCele uthi ukuphuza uphuzo oludakayo angeke kuvumeleke emabhishi.
We don't allow people to come with any form of alcohol around the beach, even if it is in your stomach. Don't come along the beach.
Izivakashi zithi zizizwa ziphephile ngalesikhathi.
Oh, my experience are very good. I have no problems. I have no fears. So the weather is nice. The people are nice. All good.
Ngijabule kakhulu kumnandi kuphephile.
Iziphathimandla zinxuse izivakashi ukuthi zihlale ziqaphile. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba zeSABC ngiseThekwini.